Welcome guys, today I have for you a Landis 1R. This machine is wired for 440 volts. This is an OD ID grinder. Right now I do have the ID spindle in the down position. It's as simple as loosening up this little lever right here, and you can bring our head up to a locked position, up out of the way, and then you can go ahead and lock it. Then when it's in use, just bring it on down. For the duration of the video, I will be leaving that down, and I'll be demonstrating both the ID and the OD grinder. This machine, let's go ahead and get that started. Go ahead, get the hydraulics going for you. We do have a coolant pump. We don't have a tank currently for it, but we will provide one when the time comes. So with that being said, let's go ahead and turn on our work head. Needs to be in cycle for it to turn on. You can see our tailstock right here. Everything is adjustable. Couple bolts right here, and you can slide it out. You also do have your adjustable dogs right here for your table length. I got everything set up so I'm not crashing anything. From here, I will go ahead and turn on our wheel. That's the grinding spindle. And let's go ahead and bring our table to go left and right. You could change that speed with this little knob right here, whether you want to speed it up or slow it down. You have your left, right, traverse feed, and of course your increment feed as well over here. Automatic lube pump to get everything lubricated for you. And whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and get our cycle going. We'll go ahead and just get that started. So right now I do have it in the traverse setting. So this is going to feed out all the way till 0, and then it will retract when it's all done. We do have 2 Terry knobs over here for your left hand and your right hand side. So you go ahead and adjust it so you could make it hold on whichever position that you'd like. And we're just about feeding down a little bit more. I did have this wide open, so that's why this is going to take a while. But when we get over to the plunge setting, it should be relatively quick. So let this just play out for a second. So just like that, you can see how our head fully retracts when we're done. It does have a little spark out cycle, which is timed. Timer's right over here. You can turn that on or off, and you can set it for however long you want it for. So with that being said, let's get on over to a plunge setting. Crack that open a little bit too much. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that just one more time. The plunge feed rate is right over here. So when you're ready to go back into cycle, you could just go ahead and tell the machine to go into cycle. Give it 1 second. Once it's fully in, that's when it'll start feeding down. Sparking out, and then I'll go ahead and retract. So for right now, I will be turning off the main spindle, and I will be turning on the ID spindle right now. Right now, we don't have a knob on the machine to spin it, so I'm going to use just my wrench right here, but I will be providing that very shortly. So go ahead, switch that over. And this is our spindle. I believe it is rated for 3,400 RPMs. And with that, you could also go ahead and do whatever grinding it is that you are interested in. So go back into our plunge cycle. And then it'll go straight to work in the ID setting. So that basically wraps it up for this machine over here. Again, this is going to be our Landis 1R wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.